Come along as we change that rusty stair into looking like a brand new step. As you can see here, it is very rusty. Especially all the crevices. They just looked old. And they need to be redone. I wanted new stairs, but he talked me into refinishing them, so here we are. Actually pretty glad that he did talk me into redoing the stairs. One, because we didn't have to spend the extra money, and two, because I was pleasantly surprised with the outcome. Now really all you have to do is sand down the surface rust, and that is what I'm doing right here. Make sure you're wearing your safety glasses. For all the safety people out there, you do not want a rust shard going in your eye. You will only do that once, and I promise you, you will regret it.
Now, for some apparent reason, I can't seem to get this head off of this drill. So I'm going to have to wait for my other half to get here so he can help me take that off and put this on. Because I need this to be able to get into the little cracks before I can actually put that primer, that converter on. But yeah, so I'll wait for him and then I'll be able to get into my next step. Okay, so as you can see, I didn't need his help. It took a few minutes of trying to figure it out, but I did figure it out. And I got the old bit off, fitting this one, and replaced it with this one. So I'm now able to get into the fine little cracks and crevices that I wasn't able to get into with that one. So I did it by myself. I didn't need him. But I'm going to get on with sanding the rest of this down so we can put that converter on, and that will activate the primer, or be the primer, and then I can paint it. So let's get on with the project. Okay, he just got home and he just hopped on the other side, so he actually stole my bit and my drill, so I can't even finish my job right now. But that's okay.
Is sanding this area down because we are going to put a toolbox up front. There it is. Very lightweight. Looks heavy, but it's not.
What you doing, Willis?
What? Did I find a chuck?
Chuck.
Chalk?
Chuck.
What? Chuck?
Chuck.
Like how much wood could a woodchuck chuck?
Yeah.
Did I find a chuck? What the hell would I find a chuck for?
A chuck.
Oh. No.
Sitting at the beach.
That would have made it so much easier for me to do. No, not at all. Okay, well, I'm almost done sanding, and the next step is going to be using this rust converter. Now, what I'll do is I will take this liquid and brush it on to all of the areas in which had rust. Anything that I sanded down, I want to put that on there because the rust converter will take it, like, you put it on, it turns like a purple color. I'll take you through the steps. This is the next step. I don't know if you can see that, but that's what I'm going to have to use in order to get it to convert the rust to a primer. So there you go. This is how you get the rust off your rig.
Now that's what the converter looks like after you apply it. This is what the stair looks like after you're done with the converter. We just gotta hit it with some paint now and we are good to go. Looks like a brand new step. Old to new. Not to toot our own horn, but I think we did pretty good. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.